Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. I'm Janet Selvidi Guzman from BSc 1-8. And for today's video, I will discuss the rational choice theory and the routine activity theory. And without further ado, let's start this. Rational choice theory. What is rational choice theory? Rational choice theory was first introduced by economists and later adopted by criminology studies in the late 1970s and developed by Cesar Beccaria. Originated during the late 18th century with the work of Cesar Beccaria. Since then, the theory has been expanded, often and extended to include other perspectives such as deterrence, situational crime, prevention, and routine activity theory. And also, people are rational beings whose behavior can't be controlled or modified by a fear of punishment. Rational choice theory states that individuals rely on rational calculations to make rational choices that result in outcomes aligned with their own best interests. And also, rational choice theory is based on the fundamental tenets of classical criminology, which hold that people freely choose their behavior and are motivated by the avoidance of pain and the pursuit of pleasure. And according according to Adam Smith, rational choice theory have three concepts, which is rational actors, self-interest, and the invisible hand. This concept suggests the rational actors acting with their own self-interest in mind can actually create benefits for the economy at large. According to the invisible hand theory, invisible driven by self-interest and rationality will make decisions that lead to positive benefits for the whole economy. Rational choice theory, for example, when someone thinking to commit a crime and they choose to commit, so the offender expect that they have an appropriate punishment for this. And now, who is Cesar Beccaria? Cesar Beccaria is a criminologist and economist and also born in March 15, 1738 in Milan and died November 28, 1794 in Milan. And also, Cesar Beccaria remembered for his treatise on crimes and punishment 1764, which condemned torture and the death penalty, and also the father of modern criminal law and the father of criminal justice. And now, let's go for the routine activity theory. What is routine activity theory? Routine activity theory is a subfield of crime opportunity theory that focuses on situations of crimes. Routine activities theory says that offenders make choices about whether or not to commit a crime based on their access to a suitable target and the presence. And also, routine activity theory is developed by Cohen and Felson on 1979, and routine activities theory requires three elements be present for a crime to occur. The three elements of routine activity theory. Motivated offenders are individuals who are not only capable of committing criminal activity, but are willing to do so. Suitable targets as well as capable guardians can be human or non-human, and capable guardians can be either formally organized, such as law enforcement, or informal, such as neighbors and civilians. The susceptibility of a target depends on how well it can be taken and concealed and its value related to its concealability. The three elements is a motivated offender, suitable target, and absence of capable guardian. And now, I will discuss the definitions of every elements. First is motivated offender. What is motivated offender? Motivated offenders are individuals who are not only capable of committing criminal activity but are willing to do so. And for the second is suitable target. Suitable target is a victim. And for the last is absence of capable guardian. Capable guardian is law enforcement or a police. And now, we have a questions. In three elements, if one is not present, for example, suitable target is not present, there's a crime? None, because suitable target is a victim, and without victim, there is no crime. And it's also, it's like a motivated offender. If there's no motivated offender, there is no crime. But if capable guardian is not present, there's crime because capable guardian is a law enforcement or a police. And if capable guardian is not present, is so many crime. And for additional, for the routines activities theory, the criminologists Collin and Felson devised routine activities theories assuming that the motivation of offenders is always present. This sets routine activities theory apart from other criminological theories, which seek to examine why offenders are motivated in the first place. And routine activities theory says that offenders make choices about whether or not to commit a crime based on their access to suitable target and the presence or lack thereof of capable guardianship that could potentially bring repercussions to the offender. And now, who is Cohen and Felson? First, Marcus Felson. Marcus Felson is a originator of the routine activity approach and of crime and everyday life. And also, he has also authored Crime and Nature, served as professor at Texas State University in San Marcos. And Lawrence E. Cohen. Lawrence E. Cohen is a professor of sociology at the University of California at Davis and also authored Desisting from Crime on 2005 and Chicken Hill Chronicle on 2011. And that's all. Thank you. And also, this is the reference that I got. And the quotation for today is, "Nothing is impossible. Continue grinding for your success." Bye-bye.